Hey guys, today we're going to do some rubber duckies on my Kohler Highline, and this is 20 rubber duckies. Let's see how this will do. Alright, let's see how it flushes with that much water in there, like a little bit over 50%. Hey, you get another flush. Well, it got 18 out of 20. Let's see with this much powerful water and see if it gets two of it unstuck together to push it out. Wait, it's just one. Huh. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye.